Good day, sir, madam. My name is Janeline B. Francisco, 39 years old, Filipino. I'm single. My religion is Roman Catholic. I have three brothers and four sisters. I'm the fourth in the family. I am a college graduate with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Customs Administration. I have worked before as a domestic helper here in the Philippines. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, marketing, washing and ironing clothes, gardening, and sometimes car washing. I can cook Filipino foods, and I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese dishes and speak Cantonese language. I love taking care of children, give them foods on time, take them a bath every day, and give medicines and vitamins prescribed by the doctor. I can bring them to school and sometimes tutoring and playing with them. I also handle before an elderly. I can clean their wounds, take them a bath every day, and wash their clothes. Sir, madam, please hire me, and I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities and follow all the rules and regulations inside the house. I am a trustworthy, hardworking, industrious person. I am also honest. And I will continue working with you, not just in 2 years, but in a long term, as long as you want my service. Thank you, sir, madam.